how to switch to personal account on Instagram. So if you created and switch your Instagram account to a creator account, professional account, or a business account, right? And then you finally decide that you would like to switch back to a personal account. Well, it's quite simple to do so. Open up the Instagram app and tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. From there, look for the three lines option located at the top right hand side of the screen. And from there, all you have to do is you simply have to scroll and look for an option that says business tools and controls. Now if you have creator account, you will see creator tools and controls. Either way, you want to simply tap on this tools and controls option, scroll down until you see this option that says switch account type. So when you tap on switch account type, you can see switch to personal account. When you tap on it, it will ask you for a confirmation to switch to a personal account, and once done, you would have successfully switched your account to a personal account. So I hope that this particular video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.